really just wanna see you. Oh, Chongqing. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Neon light glows, the river flows. In the city, life just grows from the views we see. Chongqing, wild and free. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Oh, show me, Chongqing. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing. Just show me, Chongqing. Won't you show me, Chongqing?
Okay, so I'm staying at the hostel here, and it got some amazing views, amazing place to hang out. And then right up on top of the building, I think it's 31st floor. And so let me just kind of show you some of the views, which is pretty amazing. And there's actually a rooftop up there and a kitchen. And it goes down, I think they got basically 4 stories. Got some books, some good music, massage chair. So anyways, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. This was a great hostel. You can see the view. I mean, just the introduction with the music, right? That's inside the hostel right there. So it's a little bit hard to find because in China you have a different, Google Maps doesn't work properly the same way. You have to use a Chinese one, and I don't know that one. But anyways, I'll put it up on the map of where I think it kind of is in Google Maps, which would be a little bit off, but kind of in that vicinity anyways. You'll have to, if you do book it, I'll put it down below, the booking.com, so you can find it. And the owner, what he did with me is he contacted me on the day that I was coming. He asked me when, and then I went to go, he came down to meet me and brought me to where the location was. But maybe you can figure it out from watching this video as well. So anyways, that's the location on Google Maps. And then next I'm going to show the lyrics. So the lyrics are behind me as well. And next we're going to get in the walk and talk, where you're going to hear me narrate with my walk and talk camera, my GoPro camera. And I'll show you Chongqing. And by the way, this is number 14 of 39, which means that I still have another 25 Chongqing videos that I'm going to share with you. So subscribe, and I'm going to put up a new one approximately every 5 days. So yeah, something to look forward to. And I love Chongqing, by the way. Okay, let's take a look. So I guess this tour highlight, if this isn't a highlight already, the fact that they got this big space with 2 sides for windows. Amazing. You can also go up here. Stay close to it. Oh, you can see. Oh, dang. Oh. Scarecrow for the birds. Oh man. So you also got this view up here. You can sit up here as well. It's crazy. Chongqing. That if you're gonna get near the guardrails. There's a Marriott Executive Apartments, Glenview Hotels. That's the location. All right. I guess it got locked, so pretty cool. They already checked out of the rooms themselves, so I can't show that. But I'll kind of give you an idea of the location. Well, we're in Sichiko. There it is right there. Hello.
Hello.
I got a camera, so I got a YouTube. I'm just gonna film real quick because I got the view and everything. Oh.
No. Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
Sorry.
No worries. I'm just gonna come down here. So yeah, really big space. And I'm gonna check out, and I had a room over there. Backtracking, but he was telling me there's a bunch of, not Airbnbs, but kind of equivalences down this hallway. So his is one of them, but his is actually listed not as like an Airbnb or the Chinese equivalent, but as it's on booking.com. There's St. Joseph's Church, so that's actually within the area as well. And it was a little bit hard to get to, so somebody's finding this video and they want to see where it is. There's Glenview and Marriott Executive Apartments. I'm going to take the elevator down, show you what's little reference points so people can maybe find it. Okay, so 31 stories later, we're down on the ground floor. So I'll give you a reference point of what it looks like down here. You see some other people with luggage as well. And to give you some reference, if somebody was to try to find it, and they try to use this video, this would be the building. That would be the entrance. So it has to be that entrance. There's another elevator on another location, but I think it doesn't go to the 31st, it goes to the 30th, and then you have to take the stairs. Ritz-Carlton is right there. And then for the other references, that's Marriott Executive Hotel, and then Glenview is that building over there, Glenview Hotel. So, okay. And the owner, I'll say hello to him because I'll probably send him the video later. But he really speaks English really well. He'll help out a lot, and he's got some nice books. I should have shown you more of it. I just checked out and had a really great conversation with him yesterday. And then the woman was his wife, so she's a local from Chongqing, and then he's from Zhuhai originally. And if you watch my channel, then you'll see that I live in Macau. So that was kind of interesting and pretty cool to meet him. So that's his building up there. Marriott, there's like 2 Marriott, so be careful. But that's the Marriott Executive Suites. I think Glenview is next to it, and also Citibank. Citibank is another reference. And on that note, we're gonna end it, and the train station is right over here. So if you do come by train, there's a lot of different ways you could go, but you should definitely come this way. And you see that big colorful building, so you'll have to walk up the hill slightly. And it's actually kind of at the base of this food street right here. I can't remember the name of this alley, but there's a food street that you might be able to see. You won't be able to see it from the main road, but so let me give you a 360. So that's the St. Joseph's Church over there in the distance. That's where his hostel is at on booking.com. I'll put a link down below. And then the train station is directly down this way. So Lawson. So basically you kind of go uphill slightly. And I'm just gonna walk it down to the train station. I believe it's right on the corner, I think. And then that construction, there's a bus stop right here. And then the construction to the left of me is, I think it said Ritz-Carlton. So in the future, there'll probably be a giant Ritz-Carlton Chongqing Tower, it says. And I saw another reference for Ritz-Carlton. And the train station, we'll just show you that where it's at real quick. And then I'll show you back from this side. Train station's down here. Let's see where it is. I'll have to look around for the train station, but it might have been the other direction. Sorry about that. But anyways, that's the building right there. I think my train station might be down that way a little bit. So, okay. Pretty cool stuff everywhere around here though. And this particular view where I'm at, I'll just highlight it real quick. But it says Minshenglu. Okay, so that's the street that you need to go up. Minshenglu, and then it's that big brown building right there. And the reference point from the hotel is directly here. So you'll walk by these lions, and then the train station is directly ahead. And so yeah, basically there's a couple lions that you would see. So you know you're walking up the right street if you're going up this way towards the lions. And then you'll see this view, St. Joseph's Church. I believe that's St. Joseph's. Is right to the right, and then that's where you're going to be turning at. So there you go. Pretty cool hostel. Chongqing. That's the name of the road. To Minshenglu. And the train station is right there, under those trees. There's another station over there. So, okay. And this is the metro line right there. So we basically went up that street. And Jiaochang Couch. Excuse me for my pronunciation. And into the train station. So line 2 if you're coming from train station. There's a couple of them, so you could come from different places, but 2 and 6. Sorry, 1 and 2. Train lines 1 and 2.
Hey,